Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you two curry recipes. It's quick and simple. This will come handy when you have a sudden guest at home. It will take only 10 minutes to prepare this emergency curry. Let's get started. Let's make emergency curry. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot enough, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait for it to splutter. 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Half a teaspoon of jeera. Saute it for a while. I'm adding 2 chopped onions. Saute for 2 minutes. Add a few curry leaves. We don't want the onions to be brown, just translucent is fine. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for a minute. I'm adding 2 chopped tomatoes. Do not overcook it. It should show in the curry. So just saute it for a minute or two. That will be good. Let's add the masalas. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And some salt. Give it all a nice mix. For the tamarind water, I have taken small size tamarind, soak in water, extract the pulp, and I am adding it here. Give it a nice mix. Add half a cup of water for the masalas to cook. Cover and cook for 3 minutes on medium heat. Oil is getting separated. It's become nice and thick. Now in this stage, add half cup of coconut milk. Give it a quick mix. Cover and bring it to a boil for a minute. Do not boil it for a long time after adding coconut milk. Just 1 minute is good enough. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. Our emergency curry is ready in just 10 minutes. Eat it with white rice and enjoy. Let's make pepper curry. First we have to dry roast some ingredients. Add few drops of oil. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tuar dal or tur dal. It's also called yellow lentil. 1 tablespoon of urad dal or black gram dal. 2 tablespoons of black peppercorns. 2 red chilies plus 2 Kashmiri chili for the color. Roast everything on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. A few curry leaves and grind into a fine powder. This is 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. We need extra oil for this dish. When the oil is hot enough, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 15 garlic cloves and a few curry leaves. Saute it for about 2 minutes. Let the garlic cook well. Black pepper has a lot of health benefits, including your daily cooking. It's good for cold and cough as well. 1 teaspoon of asafoetida, also called ing. Saute for 30 seconds. I'm adding tamarind water. I have taken small lemon sized tamarind, soak it in water, extract the pulp, and adding that water here. Mix it well. Add the ground masala powder, all of it. This will give this curry a nice thickness. Mix everything thoroughly for a while. Add a cup of water for the masalas to cook. Combine all the ingredients well. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on low heat. Add some salt. The gravy has come together and it's thick. This is the right consistency. You can have this during winter and rainy season. This will keep your body warm. Put in the fridge, it will stay good for a week. Try these 2 simple recipes. You will definitely like it. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Happy cooking!